Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is HP DeskJet 2721E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask 3-in-1. If you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. What I want us to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink 305 ink cartridges is what it's using. What you need to do, you need to open up this, and the ink cartridges holder is on the center. Open up this printer usually comes with ink cartridges. Okay, this is 305, 3 colors and black. So install the ink, open it up, and this is the black. Pull off. Okay, now need to go in to the black. Black goes to the right. Okay, push it in. Now the next is 3 colors. Pull off. Okay, go in, push it upwards. Now close. Okay, and you can see the gauge for the ink cartridges is now full up. Okay, we'll show you that it's full. So this is how to replace the ink. Okay, if you want to remove it, the same thing is applicable. You just need to open it up. Once you open it up, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it. Just need to wait. Here we go, it's ready. Just push down and remove it. So this is how to replace the ink. Okay, push it back up, do the same thing to this end, push it up. Now close. So this printer now is, the ink is ready. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel.